How's it going, everybody? Brian Hoops here, Midwest Market Solutions, post-Thanksgiving Friday, November the 24th, our Market Insider TV closing commentaries. Want to talk about some of the market activity here today. Remember, it was a holiday shortened session. We did have export sales this morning. Options expired for December today. And next week, we'll be looking at option expiration December live cattle. We're going to start first with the U.S. dollar. Look at this big free fall in the dollar here today. We'll kind of highlight just today's activity, but it was a sharp down day right there. And you can see we've broken this uptrend that we've been in the U.S. dollar. This uptrend started back in September all the way through October, and now as we get into mid-November, we solidly broke the uptrend. We broke this Will Trend indicator that I use a lot, and we're just moving our way lower here. We had a kind of a little rally here, and now the market has sold off. So clear indications the trend has started moving lower, and if you want to start drawing some trend lines, I think you kind of make your chart like that. And this is a positive, should be a very positive indication for grain exports, and that's what we're in right now. We badly need exports, and especially for the wheat market. So notice here that this market topped at just about a double top on the charts here, right around 95.06, double top, and then we started our downtrend, and this occurred November 7th. Now let's look at wheat, and we'll go to Chicago wheat. Since November 7th, when that dollar topped, what have we done? Well, we've gone sideways. We closed at about 443. We're at 433. We're actually 10 cents lower, but we're still just in this sideways trading pattern. Today was a big down day in wheat, down 7.5 cents in Chicago. And we closed right at this support area here, taking out these lows and then closing right on those lows. Kansas City, really no better. If we draw that same support area off of the lows that occurred back in late October, early November, same thing. Went and tested those lows, closed below it. And with this lower U.S. dollar that we just talked about, we should actually be trying to move higher in here, but until we get better export evidence, it's going to be a struggle to do that. As we look at exports today, marketing year low for the soybean market. So certainly not what the trade wanted. And if we flip the soybeans here, you can see we had a down day today. What we've done is we've rallied the soybean market back up to this broken downtrend line and found resistance at it, and that is very normal. If we can get above this area, then we go back up and test this for next resistance. But right now, this is very normal to go back and test any type of broken support that we used to have. Go back and test it as it's now resistance. Bean sales, 33 million bushels. Corns were 43.6, wheat only 7.4. Not good numbers by any means, and we saw some pressure against corn. We kind of have been rallying here on lack of farmer sales, but quickly we turned back lower as we've seen increased sales, option expiration, you can name it. Nothing good today really to speak of in any of the grain markets. Livestock trade, we had a little rally on Wednesday, gave some of that back here today in this cattle market. Really, cash trades all wrapped up, steer weights unchanged, so pretty directionless trade, but we still dropped 92 cents there. Hogs, we gapped higher on the opening, negated this bearish reversal, and that's good. We talked one other night about, look at all these reversals here. Here was a bearish reversal, and we negated it. Here was a bearish reversal, we negated it. Here was a bearish reversal, and we negated it. So if we can negate these reversals, market can continue its trend. Here you had a bullish reversal and never negated it, and we moved higher. Bullish reversal, never negated it, and we moved higher. So yeah, this is a lot of positive things here telling us that these reversals were negated. This one was negated. Looks like this hog market wants to try and move back higher in the near term. All right, that's what we've got for you. We will be back on Sunday night with our next newsletters. Hope you have a great weekend, everybody, and stay safe. This has been Brian Hoops from Midwest Markets. Talk to you soon.